Good morning, everybody. Here again at our usual meeting place in Nangaru. Got a nice big ride today. I think it's about 220 miles. It's quite chilly, so I think we'll all be glad to get our first coffee in. We're going up mid Wales, I believe. We've got the road captain here, Matt. He's going to tell us where we're going. Good morning, dude.
Today we're going to Two Hoots Cafe, Devil's Bridge, just outside Aberystwyth.
I heard they're shutting down, aren't they?
Yeah, they haven't got long to go. The railway are kicking them out of the land.
Oh, so this is a bit of a last hurrah,
Yes.
then. So we'll go and give them some support.
Yeah, so we're about 100 miles there, leaving there then towards Aberystwyth, Lampeter, through mid Wales to Llandovery. We'll have a coffee and then back home through a scenic route.
Fantastic, sounds good, mate. Let's hope it warms up a bit as well. And let's have a look at the bikes. Matt's lovely new three-wheeler. Look at that. Look at that back wheel. That's awesome. There's all the boys. Morning, everyone. Morning. Get everyone in. Hello, say good morning, everyone. I'm not sure if we got any more people coming, but got a nice little turnout for how cold it is. So let's make a move. Right, we had a nice little break here at the Two Hoots. It's a lovely old place. Phil's going to tell us a bit about what's going on.
Well, allegedly, well, it's not allegedly, it's the truth. Sadly, the Two Hoots will be closing down. In their wisdom, have decided they won't renew the lease. Obviously, it's a brown envelope involved somewhere, isn't there? 34 years this has been here for the bikers, campers, hikers, all sorts of people. Wonderful men, wonderful people. Sadly, it's going to close. The end of the month, the end of the month will probably close, but the lease doesn't run out till March. But of course it closes for the winter anyway, so try and get to Two Hoots in the next few weeks and say bye-bye to it.
Good advice. It's a fantastic place, guys, by Devil's Bridge. Anyway, we're going to head off in a minute, and I think we're heading towards Aberystwyth next, so let's get going. Right, we got here to Llandafry now. We made it, everyone. Another stop. Gonna go over to the West End Cafe now, have a bit of a warm-up. It's a lot warmer than it was earlier though, so it's been a nice little section. And anyway, let's have a chill. We've all had a nice coffee and warm up here in the West End Cafe in Llandafry. Matt's just going to tell us now where we're going to head back, because But the usual way back from Llandudfri to Brecon, or the A40, is shut at the moment. They're doing weekend work. There's like rock slides and things, so it's a bit of a crazy way. We're going to go back now, a bit of adventure. Matt's going to explain it. Where are we going to?
So the A40 is closed between halfway and Llandudfri, so we're going to take a road up to Tirabad village, turn right then and go on the old military road, which will then drop us into Llywol, just the other side of the roadworks, then back down the A40.
Is that right? We're going to see tanks and stuff?
You've got a duck.
Oh, excellent. Right, there we go. So let's hope we don't get blown up.
Live from your heart, babe. Don't hide in fear. Beware of fool's gold, smoke and mirrors. Watch out for tricksters, the wolves in sheep's clothes, the rogue chameleons, restless ghosts. So take care of yourself and love fearlessly, and keep yourself in good company. Carnival barkers and old circus clowns, they summon dark forces, pull you underground. Beware, beware, babe, the mighty dollar's king. Its lies are everywhere, babe, behind everything. So take care of yourself and live gratefully, and keep yourself in good company, and keep yourself in good company. Your thoughts are waves in the mind's a sea, and surf the ones that carry you to good company. 'Cause bloodthirsty vampires and their scam artist cons, I won't give your moments back when they're gone. So take care of yourself and love fearlessly, keep yourself in good company. Take care of yourself and love fearlessly, keep yourself in good company. Keep yourself in good company.
Well, we've made it home now. That was a really lovely day, long day. It's just turned 5 o'clock now. We set off at just before 10. 5.5 hours of that was riding. We've done 220 miles today. It was a fantastic ride. It's been felt like a bit too long since I had a really long ride like that, and it's just so good. The standards of riding today were fantastic. Lovely road. It never got too cold. It stayed dry. Fantastic. So like a big thank you to everyone for making it a great day. All the road crew as always for their hard work, and I know Matt recce'd that run about 3 times. There was a lot of road closures, and it was just a great day. So if you watched this one, thank you again for watching, and in a fortnight we got our boys weekend away to Peyton, so I'll be doing a bit of filming then, so I'll probably see you all then. Anyway, thanks again, see ya.